Parang sa'yo, naubos mo na.
Alam mo ba yung habang kinakain mo siya, sinasabi mo sa sarili mo ano?
Parang, wow, reward, my reward.
Oo. Ako sabi ko sa sarili ko, sana di siya maubos.
Oh.
Sabi ko sa sarili ko,
This one's good.
Sarap, no? One of the best burgers that I have tasted.
One of the best burgers. Nando Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, we were invited by Hash. Ito po ang pinakabago at hip na coffee shop, Bakeyard.
Yes, dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga.
Dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga. And we are actually surprised with the dishes or, the food that they serve.
Yes, actually, akala ko coffee shop lang ang pupuntahan natin. Kumbaga, merely coffee lang ito this time. Pero beyond coffee pa po pala ang aming and even the experience that we have.
Yeah, so earlier guys, na-try natin yung maging isang baker.
Yes.
A pastry chef. So, na-try natin gumawa ng kanilang isa sa mga bread.
And their bestseller.
Bestseller. So, figure it out. Later on, papakita natin yon. Ikaw naman, nakatry ka ng...
croissant. Croissant.
It's a dream come true.
Yes. And even the croissant itself, gustong-gusto ko siya.
Okay. Coming inside, actually, pagpasok niyo po dun sa entrance nila, very busy coffee shop.
Yes.
Surprisingly, yung mga pupunta dito are like young professional students. There are some mga family din na pupunta dito. And then right after that, as soon as you come out dun sa parang pinaka-entrance natin doon, bubulaga yung parang yard.
Yes.
Kaya siguro nakaano yung Bakeyard.
Pwede. Oo.
So, nandito tayo yun sa kanilang parang conference room.
Yes.
Actually, doon sa second level naman niya, kanina na tour ko, konti na lang matatapos na. Para siyang speak-easy club. Para siyang bar, so they're gonna be serving cocktails. So sabi nung isa sa mga owners, babalik tayo dito.
So, all in one.
All in one.
All in one place.
Yes, sir. Speaking of all in one, actually, kanina pa ako gutom na gutom kasi naamoy natin yung pagkain, no? From the look of it, guys, you will notice, some are familiar. They have their signature burger. Isa pa sa mga kakaiba dito, yung kanilang salmon kare-kare.
Ang kagandahan din dito ay they have incorporated yung mga pagkain natin sa Pampanga, sinama nila sa kanilang menu.
Okay, yeah.
So, siyang fusion ba tawag doon?
Parang Kapampangan fusion, no?
For the people to remember hash from the word. So, parang inspiration lang, hashtag, which has 4 corners in it. It stands for people, the coffee, the bakery, and the food.
Wow. Actually, I want to start with this one.
Cold brulee.
Meron tayong coffee as the base drink. And then meron tayong cream brulee on top. Parang isang shot, no? Very strong coffee, pero creamy yung creme brulee.
Share mo naman sa akin.
Okay.
Naingit din ako sa'yo.
Okay. Okay. Here's the dip.
Yes, sige na.
All at once.
Yes, favorite. Hininday ko muna yung ulit. Hindi ko masabi kung masarap.
Parang maubos natin to.
Ito muna.
Pero make space for the next dish. This is gonna be the last one. Okay, so next natin is yung kanilang salmon kare-kare.
Salmon kare-kare.
But it looks like a salad for me.
Tinanong ko kanina sa sir, so nasan yung bagoong? Nandun na ang bagoong sa
So incorporated na pala siya. Okay, so dig in, mami.
Sorry.
Cheers!
Parang masamawi. Cheers.
Wow! Personally, my opinion, para siyang Gen Z na kare-kare. It's not heavy on the flavor.
Pwede ko bang masabing healthier kare-kare?
I guess. And considering yung meat natin is a fish. So I think that adds up. So kimchi rice, egg, and nori. Seaweed dropper. Get something on top. Parang ganun tayo. Ooh, ang bango niya. So habang talagang minimix natin siya, lumalabas pa rin yung
This is it.
fragrance.
This is it.
Cheers!
Cheers. Ang sarap ng food.
Actually, isa pa bago ako magsasalita.
Ako rin.
So even if it's kimchi rice, hindi siya overpower na parang sobrang spicy, sobrang asim. Actually, creamy pa siya para sa akin.
Malinamnam.
Malinamnam na. So with their refreshments,
So sa kanilang drinks, meron silang kiwi, the grapefruit, yan.
Oh, grapefruit.
Yan. The popcorn, sea salt, cream brulee. This one is the white chocolate matcha. And the biscoff na talagang kakaiba ang presentation. They have the pastillas. And the coco pandan, di ba? Yung na-appreciate ko dito, not the ordinary coffee.
Okay, so next tayo sa mga dishes nila. Let's go for some salad.
Salad.
So mix of colors, mix of textures. Lahat ng mga favorite mo na dito.
Oo, nandito lahat.
Okay, ito yung maubos talaga natin.
Oo, ang sarap.
Sarap niya, guys.
Pigisa ba tayo?
Isa tayo. So look at this burger. In terms of size, I think this is shareable. Considering, syempre, order ka pa ng mga iba. The presentation.
Oh, very nice. Very inviting. Nasabi niya, kainin mo
Eat
na
me.
ako. Eat me.
Yung parang eat me or run away. Parang,
Yes. Alam mo ba yung sauce niya ay
it's
ano?
truffles.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, ano ibig sabihin ba na?
Ibig sabihin nun, masarap.
Masarap. Okay.
Yun.
Ito pa lang tayo sa...
That was
Sarap.
good.
Oo.
That was good.
Ang sarap naman dito.
Huwag muna tayo mag-usap.
Oo. Alam mo may problema tapos... Kaya...
Huwag muna tayo mag-usap.
Favorite ko si Salt kahit sa coffee shop. And na lalo pa akong kinilitero sinabi lang si Salt ang bestseller nila dito.
Wow. So this one is their version of Philly sandwich.
Yo.
So you have like steak dito, ayan.
Yes.
Yung bread natin is a croissant. Para pareho tayo mag-enjoy. There you go.
Uy, there. Pakita natin.
Wow.
Hey, hope you can see this one. Here's. Mm.
It's very cheesy. Plus yung meat nila, it's tender, no? A little bit messy to eat, pero you know,
Satisfying to taste.
it adds that satisfaction. There you go, guys. So I think this is gonna be the last, but definitely not the least.
Yes.
Ito yung kanilang waffles and chicken.
Yes. Alam mo ba?
Or chicken and waffles.
I don't know.
Okay, so alam mo ba?
It's for them to find out on the menu. I forgot.
Actually, yung bango ng waffle. Well, we're trying that. So again, guys, we would like to thank Hash for inviting us and congratulations po for opening up another, must go dito po sa San Fernando, Pampanga. The development here for this place alone is very impressive. So may mga future plans pa po sila dito, and in the near future, we're gonna be, enjoying that as well. Sa mga nagte-take out naman na kanilang mga breads, this is your takeout box. Ayan.
Yeah. Your very premium takeout box.
So earlier, na-try namin maging baker for 30 minutes.
Yes, and we enjoyed it a lot.
We enjoyed it. So ang ginawa ko doon is yung kanilang Sans Rival Pistachio.
Take note, that's their number one bestseller.
Number one bestseller. Ikaw naman ay gumawa ng isang
Croissant.
croissant.
Which I really love.
You enjoyed that?
Kind of bread yung croissant.
Yes. So this one, if you sum it up, siguro approximately 1,000 pesos.
Yes.
So that's already good enough to, enjoy a family of 5 siguro.
Yes.
Yeah, so thanks so much, Hash. Very generous. Salamat po sa pagpapatikim ng iyong mga pagkain dito. And again, guys, this is another place for you to check out. If you are interested to know more, we're going to be including the fan page.
So don't forget to visit them here in San Fernando, Pampanga. Definitely, you will enjoy it.
Alright, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next one.
Bye!
Bye, guys.
Peace out for Mark.
Peace out.